Foundation vents should be spaced to promote even cross-ventilation around the perimeter of the crawl space. A practical thumb rule for foundation vent spacing in house construction is to place vents evenly along the foundation to allow cross-ventilation and avoid dead zones where moisture can accumulate. For typical crawl spaces, we recommend roughly one vent every 10 to 15 feet based on foundation height and ambient conditions, with closer spacing for larger or irregularly shaped areas. Measure the total perimeter and divide by your chosen spacing to determine exact placement. Install vents at the same elevation around the perimeter and avoid grouping multiple vents on one side because that defeats crossflow and creates stagnant pockets. When possible, align vents opposite one another to encourage a breeze through the space. Use screened vents or louvered vents sized to local code requirements and seal edges with appropriate flashing or caulking to prevent insect entry and air leakage into framed walls. If your climate is humid or you see moisture signs such as condensation or mold, consider crawlspace encapsulation with a vapor barrier and controlled ventilation or mechanical ventilation instead of relying solely on passive vents. Always verify local building code for minimum net free vent area and any specific spacing rules before finalizing placement. Common mistakes include clustering vents on a single face of the foundation, which prevents cross-ventilation and creates high humidity pockets. The fix is to relocate vents or add matching vents on the opposite side to balance airflow. Another issue is undersizing vents or using the wrong type of screen, which allows insects or debris to block airflow. Replace with properly sized, screened vents and check them periodically for clogging. A third common concern is relying only on passive venting in climates with persistent moisture where it is ineffective. Consider encapsulation with a continuous vapor barrier and a dehumidifier or a mechanical ventilation strategy based on measured moisture levels. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to help contractors find new work opportunities that match their skills. We also maintain a discussion community on the site where homeowners and professionals can share experiences, ask questions, and compare approaches to foundation, vent spacing, and moisture control.